morning. We're in Malaysia. And nandito kami sa Surya Mall. So, this is our first day today. And yung hotel namin, 3 p.m. pa yung check-in time. So, nagpunta muna kami dito sa Surya para kumain sa Oriental ko. Look guys, its time check is 10:13 a.m. but this is already the queue. Ayun yung galing pa kami sa ano talaga sa airport. Tapos dinrap lang namin yung mga luggages namin sa hotel. Tapos napunta na kami dito kasi gutom na. So yung flight namin is from 3 until 7, so 4 hours. Ito yung outfit check na today. Pang airport. Pero nagpalit siya na from rubber shoes to boots. Atake! Atake ka, girl. So, ito yung Surya Mall. I think this is their luxury mall here in Kuala Lumpur. Yun. It's my first time in Kuala Lumpur. It's our first time in Kuala Lumpur. And sana mag-enjoy kami.
Sarap lahat.
Oh. Coffee. Very lang. Ito sa amin ni Lia. Hati lang kami. This is the signature nasi lemak.
Okay na?
Wow.
Okay na, Mami. 11-11.
Vloggeries.
Ang sarap! Yeah.
Tulong.
Walang eme.
Dito. Dito. Kabila. Dito na. Ako nga, lapit ka dito. Ayun, kumala.
Hello mga bogo.
Keluar pala, keluar.
Ano ba?
Keluar.
Keluar means?
Exit.
Galing nga. Ano ka mag-Malaysia? Pinto.
Door. Malaman. Alam na natin.
Sakay tayo dun.
Local carinderia near our place. I got goreng, Nadi got seafood, and you got nugget. We have this tsaa.
Sarap ka ba ng ulawan? Yung ganito nga na.
Chicken and beef, tatay. Sarap. Di ba peanut sauce lang?
Peanut to.
Hey guys, good morning. So today is our second day here in Kuala Lumpur. And hindi ko pala napakita yung Airbnb namin. So, hindi siya Airbnb. Binook namin siya via Klook. And akala naman hotel but it's an apartment. So, let's have a look. So, this is our view. Kita yung Petronas Tower dito. And on some part of this accommodation, kita din yung KL Tower. This is the living room. May TV, Christmas tree. Tapos may mini dining dito.
May poging asawa.
Asawa dito. Good morning.
Good morning.
Then, may kitchen. Yan, microwave. Then, water. Pero bumili pa rin kami mineral. To be safe. Ref and, washing machine. Yan. This is high ceiling, ganyan. Malaki siya. Let's go to the bedroom. Ayan. So, medyo makalat na because this is our second day na. I forgot to vlog it yesterday. So, merong cabinet. Then, ito kita mo yan. May bintana na glass dito. May queen size bed. Meron ding malaking may balcony din dito. Kita pa din yung view. Same dun sa baba. Ayan. Tapos, bathroom. And this is gonna be my look for today. Just wearing blue top and a pants. Yeah. So today we're going to Bato Caves. And after Bato Caves, we will be going to Skyline Luge para laro-laro like Mario Kart, ganon. Tapos, after nun, siguro, sa dinner, we will be going to Halan Alor Night Market in Bukit Bintang. Yan. So, this is a room tour. Ngayon, magbabrunch kami dito sa Carinderia, malapit sa accommodation namin. And ano siya, self-service siya. Ikaw magsaserve sa sarili mong plato ng pagkain. So, bawal yun sa Pilipinas kasi ang daming mandurugan sa Pilipinas. Ayun lang. Ikaw magtatakal kung gaano kadami. So, yun. Kinuha ko ay chicken curry lang para hati na lang kami ni Nia. Kay daddy, hindi ko alam pangalan. Delicious. Looks delicious.
Sabi na natin, only this. 15 lang lahat.
15?
Yeah.
15 ringgit, all of this.
Sobrang mura po.
Outfit check.
Face value check. Hello!
Sinabi
Hello!
Wait, stop. Bro. Bro, it's not moving.
Hello.
Oh, what is that? Strawberry chocolate. Strawberry filled with chocolate with whipped cream. Got shawarma. And that is that.
Bihun soup melatop. Yun soup melatop.
For only 10 ringgit. This is also 10 ringgit and 18.
Crispy crepe siya mga. Sarap. I didn't know that whipped cream and chocolate would taste good together.
Oh no!
Malapit na malagyan yan. Yun ang extra flavor
Can you at least eat this
Hello?
one? Kinagata mo na eh.
Oh.
You know. Alam mo ito pala eh. Hindi kaya to. Dalawang kagat ni Dada. I'm gonna eat a big strawberry.
Sinabi mo dalawa.
Dito tayo kain.
Dami dito naman eh. Uy, ayun yung masarap sa Taiwan. Oyster omen.
Ay, picture ako. Pipicture ako.
Yeah.
What is this called?
Lemon chicken. Lemon fried chicken.
Lemon?
Yeah. Eat na.
Si Monkey King uuwi na.
Ano ba yan?
Mango sticky rice?
What?
Yeah, just one. How much?
15.
15.
Ayo, saya masuk. Halo.